Here's how to use iNaturalist. First, download the free app. It's available for Android and iPhones. Set up a username and password, and be sure to allow the app to use your location and grant it permission to use your camera. Open the app. If you open to a screen that doesn't look like this, click the little menu icon and look under your name for observations, then click on the arrow. Here's what it looks like on an Android device. When you're ready to add an observation of a species, and it can be a plant, mammal, fish, bird, or insect, click the green plus sign. Tap on Take Photo. Take your photo, and click OK, or click Retry to take it again if it's not quite clear. The app will automatically show the date, time, and exact location where this photo is taken. Remember, this app is best used in a public place, not at home. Tap What did you see? And the app will guess what the species is. Choose the species you think is the closest match. Tap Select. Click the green check mark. That's it. If you have data active, your observation will automatically upload, and other users of iNaturalist will be able to see it. Other naturalists might agree or disagree with you about the name of the species. If you get 3 people to agree, your observation will be research grade. Now, let's see what it looks like on an Apple product. Open the app. You won't see a green plus sign. Instead, there's a row of icons at the bottom. To submit an observation, tap the camera icon that says Observe. Then, to take a new picture, tap Camera, or to use a picture you already took, tap Camera Roll. That's what we'll do this time. Now, you can make an observation with no photo at all, but of course that means no one else will be able to help you identify it. Choose your photo, click Done, click Next, click What did you see for that list of suggestions? You can also just type a species name if you're sure. Click Share. That's it. Now other iNaturalist users can see your observation and photo. You can always log into iNaturalist on a computer too. All observations taken at Wetlands Park are automatically part of a project called CCWP Nature Journal. You can join the project or just view it on the website. There's a link in the description of this video. You can see a point on the map for every species observed. You can even suggest a species name on other people's observations. The Clark County Wetlands Park Nature Journal is always available. Every time you visit the park, you can add observations of what you see.